This is my face without makeup, and this is my face with the no makeup look. If you want to know how to brighten your face on a daily basis, keep on watching this video. Hi favorites, I just got my hair done and I am feeling myself a little too much because I love the length, I love the color, I love how it's lightweight, and it's just my vibe. So I am in the mood to do a little, I'm not even doing makeup. I don't feel like doing makeup because the hair, I'm looking pretty without makeup, right? So I just wanted to show you a little something I do on a daily basis. I'm basically going to show you how I do my lip combo and then fill in my brows, then maybe an eyeliner. So this video is going to be super short. Let's begin. I'd like to have this here, so I'd be talking to you guys. All my daily essentials, I mean for my face, it's inside here, inside this mini bag. To achieve this simple magic on your face, you need a compact mirror, your lip liner. Sometimes I choose to use black in place of brown. You need your lip combo. I always use brown, nude, and pink. And next, you need your brow pencil. Mine comes with a spoolie. Then you need your eyeliner and mascara. Lastly, I make use of a highlighter. First thing you must do is clean your lips. Make sure it's dry, so the liner application is going to be smooth. Now outline your lip, the outer corner of your lips. You can follow your lip structure or you can go above that. I always follow my lip structure. The next thing I apply the nude at the middle part of my lips. Make sure you're generous with it so it doesn't break during the day. The next thing I apply the brown lip gloss. Note that these are lip glosses but with color. So even without applying lip gloss at the end, these are already lip gloss. After applying the brown, I go over the pink in between the nude and the brown. And after that, I make use of the head of my lip liner to blend. That's my hack. I don't use my hand. After doing that, you can clean it with a tissue. The next thing we're going to be doing is filling in the brows. If you feel like you have good brows, please do not do this part. It's not really necessary, but I try to fill in my brows because I have thin brows. So this is my simple method. I just sharpen my eye pencil and fill in the brows upwards. After the brows, I make use of an eyeliner. Sometimes I don't do this every day, but other times, especially when I'm filming, I try to use my eyeliner because it definitely does define your eyes and makes it look even better. For this part, I don't normally do it every day, but when I want to film, I always use a concealer under my eye. Now this is the hack. This brightens your face ASAP. Because concealers are meant to conceal different things, but in this case we are making use of it to lighten and brighten the under eye and then the nose area. My simple tip for this is to make use of one that is a shade or two lighter than your skin. Don't make use of one that is too bright, please, since it's an everyday look. But if you're going for a full makeup look, then of course you can make use of the lighter ones. Sometimes I feel like this one is even too bright. I need to get one that is closest to my skin tone so I can be able to use it every day. Now before blending, make sure you dry it. You can make use of a fan or sit in front of a fan to make sure it's dried. Now while it's dried, sometimes it's hard to use a wet beauty blender, so I make use of a beauty blender that is not wet, or I use a brush. Most times I use a brush. I only just found my beauty blender after looking for it for a long time and I decided to use it. For the next hack I want to show you, this is actually my first time trying this, but it did work. I didn't have my contour with me and I wanted to define my nose area, so I made use of my brow pencil because it's brown and contours are brown. So apply it on your hands and then apply it on your nose and make sure you blend it out with your hands. Now when I say your nose bridge, not the middle of your nose. You won't tamper with the part you applied your concealer. After that, I'm making use of my highlighter. Now the part before this is meant to be making use of a pressed powder, but I didn't have that there with me and I didn't have the strength to go into the room to get it. So please, if you have a pressed powder that is your exact skin tone, please make use of it after your concealer so your makeup does not break. The only reason why I didn't apply that and I didn't even stress it is because I was going to finish up my filming for this tutorial and clean it right after. So if I'm going to wear it to go out or I'm stepping out, I definitely make use of a pressed powder and sometimes a setting powder, but I'm making use of light layers. Now after that, I'm making use of a mascara. If you have long lashes, amazing. Use your mascara to elongate your lashes and it's going to make it look better and prettier. So try your best not to miss your mascara. Hi guys, so I'm done. And yeah, this is what I'd normally do, but on a daily basis I don't make use of concealer. I just do every other thing aside from concealer and then mascara. But the reason why I do this whenever I want to film. I must apply concealer because it's going to, you know, brighten up my eyes a little bit, as you can see. So the final thing I feel like I should touch up, or I would normally do, is to use pressed powder. You know what pressed powder is? I'm going to attach the picture. It's to apply it on top of the places I applied concealer, but like I'm lazy to go get it, so I'm going to stop here. And when it starts kicking up, because it's going to do that, I have my glasses here. This is a backup for my laziness. I just, you know, throw it on, and yeah, because my eyes are already brightened up, and this, I'm good to go. So this is my simple hack. I do this whenever I want to film. Do tell me, let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this, or if you've been trying this hack, because it's not like it's a new hack. This is just something I've gotten so used to doing. And yeah, if you've seen this video till this point and you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this family. I share glow up tips to make you look amazing, to make you look your best. You're going to find the playlist in the description box. And if you like my hair and you want to get this, I'll also leave the link in the description box for you. Don't forget to share this video to your girls. I love you so much and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.